Hi everyone, it's Ray. In this video, I will read to you a sonnet entitled Drunk with the Hiccups by Dominic Ricardo. Dominic Ricardo was a student in my school before. It is very fascinating to see and read a sonnet made by a student, especially coming from my school. So, shall we start reading this masterpiece? Drunk with the Hiccups by Dominic Ricardo. The devil came forth to me, and he said, "Do you want to know how he died, my son?" Drunk with the hiccups, he died in his bed. Each bottle he drank, he was on the run. The devil muttered with lips burning bright, "Hell is an awful place with reigning men, where the slaves are trapped by Inferno's blight, and they wail and scream to be free again." But you already know what hell feels, right? My baffled face, I am so clearly shocked. Well then, you are blind, slave. Have you lost sight? Now go back to your hole. I shan't be mocked. Oh dear, by now I noticed what was wrong, that I was the one who died all along. Drunk with the Hiccups by Dominic Ricardo. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope I read the sonnet clearly to you, and I hope you found the sonnet interesting as well. Well, until next time, bye!